Hi, parents and students. This is a homework helper for tonight. So, in class, let me see if I can move up on the page. We were working on problem set lesson 13. Okay, problem set lesson 13. And I do a lot of concept development with the students, so we spend a long time on concept development because I have many different levels in the classroom. So we stopped around here in class number 2, and they have it for homework tonight. So I just want to review because some students may get confused tonight, which I hope not, but just in case, Ms. Durham wants to review. So the directions say, complete the number sentence, express the quotient, and everybody knows what a quotient is, in unit form and then in standard form. So parents, my students know that standard form, and please excuse my writing because I'm holding the camera with one hand and writing in the other hand. The standard form is just a regular way. So if I had 6/10 in standard form, that would be 6 in the tenths place. Now, unit form is the number, and then you do the place value. The number, and then you do the place value. So 6/10 in unit form would be 6, and then the place value is tenths. Very good. So on our homework tonight, okay, and I want to try quickly explain. So on our homework tonight, they have 4.2 divided by 7 equals how many tenths divided by 7? So 4.2 in tenths would be 42 tenths divided by 7. And then that would equal how many tenths? So they want, when we divided in class, remember we divided 4.2 divided by 7, we got 6/10. So that would be 6/10, and then they want you to write it in standard form. So I wish I could write on the screen, but I can't. So I'll try to review with you one more time. Here we have 4.2 divided by 7, and then they want you to rewrite it in unit form, which really means 42 tenths divided by 7, which equals what? Now here is where you put your answer in unit form, 6/10, and then which also equals what? 0.6. That's where you put it in standard form. So here you put your quotient or your answer in unit form, and here you put your quotient or your answer in standard form. Let me review another one for you before I get ready to go. I hope you all can see this, but if not, look at your paper. It's the same problem. So here we are with B, 2.64, or 2 6400ths divided by 2 equals how many ones? How many ones are in 2.64? There are 2 ones, right, divided by 2 plus 0.64 plus how many hundredths? There's 64 hundredths here divided by 2. So now they want the quotient in unit form. Okay, how many ones in your quotient and how many hundredths in your quotient? And then they want the answer in standard form. Okay, so let me see if I can explain it one more time. Ms. Durham has to go. Here for C, we have 12.64 or 12 64 hundredths, okay, divided by 2. So now they want unit form. How many ones do we have in the number? So 12 ones divided by 2 plus how many hundredths? Here we have 64 hundredths divided by 2. Very good. And what is our quotient in unit form? So once you divide your 12.64 by 2, what is the quotient in unit form? How many ones and how many hundredths? And then they want you to write it in standard form here. So I hope that clears up tonight's homework. Good luck, you all. And you can text me. I'm going home to take care of me, Shaq. All right, sweetie pies, my honey bunches of oats. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.